Hello, this is Master Mo, practicing Taekwondo in my driveway. Video? Okay. We are going to do on this video, this is for intro class, ages 4 to 7. And we're going to do roundhouse kick, side kick, and then put the two together to have a kicking combination, which will be roundhouse kick, side kick, and reverse punch, which we'll add on at the end. So I'm going to read the disclaimer. This video was created as a resource to help students memorize content and to be practiced in class. The viewer assumes all risks and liability, hereby fully releasing and discharging the creator of this video and all its affiliates from any and all liability. Never train without proper supervision or a qualified instructor. Consult your doctor before beginning any training regimen. If exercising outdoors, stay hydrated. So, chidiyat, chumbi. Fighting stance, you put your left leg forward and your hands up. Comfortable, relaxed position. Yell Kia. Fighting stance, Kia! Your front leg, your weight is a little bit on your front leg. You're going to kick with your back leg. This is roundhouse kick. Say roundhouse kick, roundhouse kick. All right, ready? So, bend your knee, kick, and I want you to land sideways when you're doing this one because we're going to do a combination after. Again, step back, ready, and kick, land sideways. So your leg is bent, then straighten and land sideways. Feet not too far out that way, only feet about this far apart so you can step behind when we do the combination. All right, so that's roundhouse kick, land sideways. Now we're going to start in a sideways position. We're going to step our foot behind, bend our knee, and kick out straight and land sideways. That's a side kick. Say side kick, side kick. Again, feet sideways, step behind, bend and kick. And you can land a little bit forward, but not too far that way. You want to be balanced. And then the last thing you're going to do is from the back leg. See, this isn't like our punching that we do riding stance lunge punch. This is more informal. This is almost like boxing. So you're going to from here punch straight out like that. Okay, Kia. You say Kia. So let's do that again. Oh, I was doing the combination before I was finished doing the side kick. All right, here, side kick one more time. Feet that much apart to start. Step a little behind, bend, kick, and you can land a little forward, hands up. That's side kick. Now let's put it together. Chidiyat, chumbi, fighting stance, Kia! Now you're going to kick from your back leg. Don't go too far that way. Land in close. Roundhouse kick, land sideways. Step your foot behind, bend, kick, land a little frontwards, but not too far that way. Keep your foot close to you. And with your back hand, punch. Kia! That's called, repeat after me, reverse punch. Reverse punch. Ready? Again. Kia! All right. Now in class I teach you this, but I'm going to do it right now so that I can also do the kicking combination. You behind me. All right, ready? So about face, don't move your feet, just move your hands. Kia! Now again, right leg. I'm going to roundhouse kick, land sideways, not too far apart. Step behind, bend and kick, land a little forward, not too stretched out. Keep your foot close to you. And then with your back hand, from your back leg, left hand punching. Kia! And then about face, you just turn your feet a little bit, don't move them, and put your fighting stance to the front. Kia! And butt open. Show. So I hope that helps. Happy practicing. I'll see you in class.